it keeps the surfaces cleaner for longer, it reduces blockages, and it maintains performance with routine rather than aggressive periodic descaling. So EcoClean can reduce existing scale, particularly organic scale, but its real strength is in prevention and control. And importantly, it demonstrated sustained activity over time due to the biofilm formed by the bacteria. In real-world scenarios, our customers have reported reduced scale formation, much fewer odour complaints, and a lower level of maintenance intervention needed. Odours in urinals are largely caused by bacteria breaking down the urea and releasing ammonia, and that's when you get that pungent ammonia smell. But the good bacteria, the Bacillus in EcoClean, actually take the urea into the cell and use it as a nutrient source, meaning that it doesn't produce the ammonia, so no ammonia is released. And by removing the biochemical pathway that actually causes the smell, it can control all the odours at source rather than just covering them up, which is what a fragranced product would do. Deodorizers work by simply overpowering bad smells with fragrance, whereas EcoClean actually removes the root cause of the smell entirely. So because the good bacteria, the Bacillus bacteria, outcompete the nuisance bacteria through a process called competitive exclusion, the conditions that generate odour just cannot happen, don't develop. And this leads to much longer lasting odour control without the need for heavy perfumes. When used in toilets and urinals, with EcoClean, the Bacillus bacteria actually establish themselves on the surface, and so they're continually producing enzymes that are really targeted, and they break down the organic material that's in the urine, in any organic soiling. Rather than hiding scale or dissolving it aggressively like chemicals do, EcoClean actually prevents it from forming in the first place.